Hi everyone, today we'll see how to use mute and unmute images or sprites on a single button click. To do that, I'm using the same video player projects that we have worked last time. So I'm disabling both unmute and mute button that we had separately, and I'm having the single button UI button. So I'll just drag the mute image sprite on the button. I have one sprite now on the button. I'll just change the size and move it at the bottom. So now our button is ready with mute image. So when I click on this, I need unmute image to appear. To do that, open the script. First, we'll get the sprite, that is private sprite mute image. It is private because mute image is already on the button. Now when I click on mute image, I want it to change to unmute. So we'll have one more variable, that is public sprite unmute image. Just save the script. On the same button, we'll be using two images. Just drag the unmute button over here. So now our button will have two sprites. So we also have to include the button on which the images are changing. So it will be public variable button of type button. Just save the script. So now drag the button where the images will change. We have one single button for two images. Now at the start, we need to get the button with the mute image. That is, mute image will be button.image.sprite. So button will contain now mute image. So now our button is having mute image. So now when I click on this mute image or mute image button, I want it to display unmute image. For that, let's add a function, that is on button click, that is on public void on button click. I want my button.image.sprite to have unmute image. When I click on mute image, I want unmute image to appear. So now my button.image.sprite will have unmute image or unmute button variable. When I click on mute, I will get unmute. So now let's have a bool variable, because when we click on unmute button, again it should change to mute button. To do that, let's have a condition and a bool variable. That is private bool is on is equal to true. First, I want it to be true. If it is true, then my image will change to unmute. So if is on, the button which is containing mute image will change to unmute image, and video dot set direct audio mute will be true. I am muting the video. So now it will be true, and now the condition is on will be false. Else, now if I am having unmute button, then again I have to change this to mute button. So my button.image.sprite will be equal to mute image. From unmute, it will change to mute image. And now video dot set direct audio mute will be false. In this condition, it will unmute the audio. And now is on will be true again. So just save the script, open Unity. Here add the functionality, that is button event. Drag the video player where the script is attached. Just select the functionality on button click, save it and play. You can see on clicking the mute button, it will change to unmute and the audio will be muted. And if it is unmute button and you click on it, it will change to mute image and the audio will be disabled. This is it guys. If you feel this is useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.